So there's this insider. अब out हो गया यार.
कुछ कैमियो है किसी का. It's about two fathers who impregnate the same
Literally,
woman.
two kids going, मेरे दो बाप by the time they birth. पिक्चर में हीरो अपने वाइफ के ऑनर को डिफेंड नहीं करेगा तो कहाँ
और क्या
करेगा?
करेगा? हाँ, फिर-
हाँ bro, रियल लाइफ में तो नहीं करते अपन लोग.
2/3 of the movie I was really enjoying. That last bit where it becomes like that very cliche thing. more or
Yes,
less.
it's very late. It is 1:45, man.
Fuck
Yes.
bro, fuck.
The efforts we take for you.
Please like and share and subscribe
Yes.
to this episode. Hello and welcome to Pop Conversation, where this week we saw bad news. So you don't have to. Then that's the good news.
Good
All
news.
right, let's get into it. Welcome, guys.
I took your advice so seriously, I didn't even watch it, Antariksh.
You didn't even watch it.
No, I didn't even watch
But I just gave this advice.
But I mean, considering
You
we're so
got-
close.
महाराजा
I was
के
like,
जैसे उनका टाइमलाइन भी आगे पीछे चल रहा है.
Oh, that was definitely the more superior movie this week.
But too bad we don't have a Stree on our panel.
Oh, otherwise we would have talked about Kusha Kapila's thing.
Or two Strees.
We should have a Stree too.
Stree too.
That's better. Yes.
We should workshop our beginnings before we start rolling.
Man, when we think of them, they sound genius. Welcome to Pop Conversation, guys. This week we are talking about all the things we already teased in the last few sentences that we said. Maharaja, the review.
Bad news, the review, and Stree 2 trailer, the review and expectations.
The review and expectations. And also, tell us, Deadpool, Hugh Jackman, Wolverine, excited? Are we going to talk about that?
I am very excited.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm also very
fuck,
excited.
very excited.
Also, Joker 2 का भी trailer आ गया आज.
Joker का ट्रेलर आ गया?
नहीं देखा आपने?
नहीं,
That I'm not excited about.
Why?
जोकर 1 तेरे को कैसी लगी थी? मेरे को ठीक
Not-
लगी थी.
हाँ, मेरे को भी
Yeah,
बहुत ठीक लगी थी.
okay, तेरे को क्या मस्त लगी थी क्या?
मतलब मुझे सही लगी थी.
अच्छा, okay.
I'm interested in the movies that Lady Gaga is choosing for her film career, but I'm like mixed on Joker 2.
Okay.
I was reading an article जिसके ऊपर लिखा था Why do we love our antagonists that much?
Do we?
तो बस वो
Yeah, bro. Have you seen Maharaja?
No, we'll come to that. But who's the?
Yes.
Is there an antagonist in Bad News?
the plot.
the baby to be born. Hey.
चलो फटाफट पहले बैड न्यूज का थोड़ा सा प्लॉट बता दो फिर उसके बाद हम लोग रिव्यू के बारे में
Okay.
बात
So what is bad news about? Abbas?
So it's
Yeah, he's not seen it.
Let me take a guess. It's about two fathers who impregnate the same
Literally,
woman.
two kids going, मेरे दो बाप by the time they birth. It's a story about a woman impregnated by
it's,
two
it's
people.
about every guy in Delhi. जानता है मेरा बाप कौन है?
नहीं, मैं
Thank you guys.
I don't know what is happening. So a
yes,
woman
please tell us.
played by Tripti Dimri.
A woman played by. Okay, sure. What does Vicky Kaushal play? A
And a
man.
man, South Delhi boy, played by Vicky Kaushal.
अरे
fall
वेस्ट
in
दिल्ली
love.
बॉय
A Delhi boy, played by Kaushal Vickies, falls in love with Tripti Dimri's character, and they fall madly in love, and they have a highfalutin wedding and good times, you know. But then,
just like that wedding in BKC that happened a couple of weeks ago.
yeah, and bigger than that, even.
bigger than that yes
Yeah, they also celebrated for a year and a half for
now
something
they are off
something
for-
that will last for a year and a half.
उस शादी को देख के wow.
All right.
बाबा वो इंटरनेट का प्लग खींच
Dude,
दिया
you
ना
know,
तो सब बंद हो जाएगा.
Dude, you know Shah Rukh Khan bought them an apartment, dude?
In Paris, yeah.
What the fuck,
bro
dude?
the funniest thing was कि उसने आई थिंक अनंत ने या आकाश ने शाहरुख खान को 2 करोड़ की घड़ी गिफ्ट करी
आकाश खान?
जो उसका बड़ा भाई
अच्छा.
A bunch of his friends and
अनंत ने दी थी तो अनंत ने दी या आकाश पता नहीं किसने दी थी बट अ बंच ऑफ हिज फ्रेंड्स 2 करोड़ की घड़ी एंड उसमें से शाहरुख भी था एंड आई एम लाइक बट उसने 6 करोड़ का घड़ी उतार के तरह 2 करोड़ का घड़ी पहना
Yeah, correct. Wow, dude.
उसके लिए वो होगा वो जो दिवाली पे हमको सोन
हाँ,
पापड़ी का
सोन पापड़ी आ
पैकेट
जाएगा।
अरे फिर से वही
फिर से हो गई
Sorry, we digress. Coming back to good bad news. Sorry.
yes
Yeah. So basically, Tripti Dimri's character so turns out Tripti Dimri, her lifelong dream
Yes.
is that as a chef, she's a chef, plays a chef in the film, and as a chef, she wants to be India's first Meraki Star restaurant.
Guess what Meraki Star is?
It's supposed to be MRF tires.
A Michelin star
stars.
equivalent of
Okay.
Bollywood, basically.
Okay.
That's Meraki Star. So
Yeah.
उसको Meraki Star बनना होता है, and she is a professional chef, और विकी कौशल के फादर की चाप का बिजनेस होता है, जैसे ठीक है चाप भंडार टाइप चाप का रेस्टोरेंट, चाप रोड साइड एक वो होती
Got
है
it.
शॉप टाइप, ठीक है। तो वो एकदम टिपिकल वेस्ट दिल्ली का लड़का दिखा है, रॉकी रंधावा, बट माइनस द प्राडा गुचीज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड।
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
ठीक है।
It is.
ही फॉल्स इन लव विद तृप्ति। तृप्ति इज लाइक मुझे अपने करियर पे फोकस करने दे, बट विद इन अ सीन
They.
शी इज लाइक चलो ट्राई करते हैं कि कुछ हो, मतलब एज इन लाइक लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस।
Yeah.
नेक्स्ट सीन में शादी हो जाती है,
Yes.
ठीक है, एंड देन उसके 3 सीन बाद डिवोर्स हो जाता है।
Yeah, भाभी 2 को बना बीवी 1.
फिर 4 सीन बाद वो मसूरी चली जाती है,
Oh, shit.
और 5 सीन बाद से विक्की वो एमी विर्क मिल जाता है। सो बेसिकली एमी, सो वो
And so basically, we should also say they get divorced for such a made-up reason, dude. In the
What's
sense,
the reason?
basically, he is overly loving.
Spoiler, this will be a spoiler-filled discussion. Yeah.
So, firstly, that whole divorce wala part, the whole falling in love wala part is absolutely not needed only in this film.
not needed, also
Okay?
feels
The movie could have
rushed.
Yeah, feels rushed. The movie could have literally started from the point they're getting divorced.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
that could have been literally the beginning of the movie. But anyway, chalo, the reason they're getting divorced is Vicky is a little like clingy in the sense he shows his love and like always going ending up at a restaurant to to talk to her and like hey,
Okay.
kya kar rahe ho? And like just lovey-dovey things.
Okay.
Okay, but she is like, oh, you're embarrassing me in front of my office people.
ऐसा नहीं है, वो उसके रेस्टोरेंट जाके पीट देता है
नहीं, पर to someone who was being extremely rude to her at her restaurant, तो उसका पति था तो पीट दिया ब्रो। तो पिक्चर में हीरो अपने वाइफ के ऑनर को डिफेंड नहीं करेगा तो कहाँ
और क्या
करेगा?
करेगा? हाँ, फिर
हाँ ब्रो, रियल लाइफ में तो नहीं करते अपन लोग।
पता है इस सीन के बाद ना
Love
क्या
you, baby.
इस सीन के बाद ना वो क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली वो रेस्टोरेंट में आकर उसकी गेस्ट को पीट देगा, तो उसका बॉस उसको डांटता है, वो गुस्से में घर जाती है, घर जाके वो उस पर चिल्लाने विलाने लग जाती है। तो वो भी उसे कहता है कि तू सॉरी बोल मुझे, मैं क्यों तेरे को सॉरी बोलूँ, एंड शी इज लाइक मैं क्यों सॉरी बोलूँ, इज लाइक तूने मुझे गेट आउट बोला, मैं तेरा ऑनर प्रोटेक्ट कर रहा था, ये वो वगैरह वगैरह। तो वो गेट आउट बोल के फिर वो उसको गेट आउट बोल देता है तृप्ति को, घर से निकाल देता है उसको।
अच्छा।
तो वो अपने घर जाती है एंड घर जाके शी इज कंप्लेनिंग टू अर पेरेंट्स कि भाई मुझे घर से निकाल दिया, ये कर दिया, वो कर दिया, एंड देयर लाइक क्यों निकाल दिया, क्या सीन है। एंड देन शी सेड कि वो मेरे रेस्टोरेंट में आया, उसने आके मेरे गेस्ट्स को मारा, ये वो, और जब मैंने उसको क्वेश्चन किया कि क्यों मारा, देन ही सेज कि क्योंकि मैं तेरे से प्यार करता हूँ और कोई तेरे को डिसरिस्पेक्ट करेगा तो मैं तेरे को मार दूंगा। एंड टू विच हर पेरेंट्स से कि हाँ तो ठीक है ना, वो कम से कम तेरे को प्यार करता है तो किसी और को मार रहा है। पड़ोस वाला कबीर देख, प्यार भी प्रीति को करता है और थप्पड़ भी प्रीति को मारता है।
So there were like so many of these meta jokes in the film. Almost after like the first maybe 2, right? They all just seem forced. Like, oh, I get it. You thought of these jokes and you thought of scenarios where I can
Fit these jokes basically.
make these jokes, just fit in a way,
Yeah.
and they just went with it. So a lot of it is thoda convoluted.
I always feel
Oh,
like
but till where in the
I
plot
was
did
trying
you
to
reach?
make a point, dude.
Sorry.
You were at the divorce.
हाँ, you are at
But ठीक है, तू बहुत बता दे, फिर मैं बता।
हाँ वही exactly. अब ठीक है इंटरप्ट किया गया। Okay.
मेरे को याद दिलाना कि मेरे को ये पॉइंट बोलना है।
Okay, that I interrupted you. You know what I interrupted you? Like you'll be like, which time?
ट्रेलर में जो दिखा रहे हैं वो कब होता है कि भाई 2 बजे
वो इंट्रो के बाद।
So that's the interval block.
हाँ, that's the interval block. Yes.
Yeah. So
Wow,
exactly,
okay.
dude. The movie should have been the beginning,
हाँ।
and then gone from there.
लिटरली आधी पिक्चर है उसके में।
Yeah, bro, ridiculous.
So them falling in love, them falling out of love. Actually, they never fall out of love. They just get divorced. ठीक है. And
Like
then
you have established, each scene is
is
a massive.
भाई literally. तो वो क्या करता है? वो basically divorce लेने के बाद मसूरी चली जाती है to pursue her dream of getting the Meraki star. Because वो इतनी stressed होती है, उसको Meraki star नहीं मिलता while she's in the marriage, and that is when she files for divorce. वो मसूरी चली जाती है to pursue her lifelong dream of being the first.
Why did every reviewer not say for bad news I would like to give this movie a Meraki star? No.
because it's not that great of a film.
तो एंड यू नो इसके अंदर एक और कबीर सिंह रेफरेंस है बाय द वे.
अच्छा.
द प्लेस वेयर शी गोज, जो रेस्टोरेंट दिखाया मसूरी में, दैट्स द रेस्टोरेंट जहाँ पे शायद कपूर का कैरेक्टर अपना एमबीए कह रहा हूँ,
होटल मैनेजमेंट
मास्टर्स करने जाता है सर्जन की.
अच्छा, okay.
तो वो है, तो वहाँ पे
होटल क्यों जाता है वो master?
अरे उसमें वो मेडिकल कॉलेज
अच्छा,
दिखाया है,
ऐसे बोल
इसमें
रहा.
होटल दिखाया है.
But also, I must say, dude, you know the number of times they say the word Meraki star in this film.
Oh, dude.
Dude, it gets so irritating. Literally, like I was telling you about it previously, and you were like, it should be a drinking game.
Drinking
Like
game,
absolutely,
yeah.
it should be.
When you watch it at home,
Yeah.
every time
It's
they say
so
Meraki
irritating, dude. If I have to listen to the word Meraki again, I've started hating that restaurant. I hope it wasn't.
It's a nice restaurant.
I
Don't
hope
say
it
that.
wasn't a product placement by them. Because they have good food, but dude, this was bad product placement. If this was like product placement for you.
Meraki is like my 2:30 a.m. you up kind of restaurant.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, because
Somebody's making good money. Eh?
they are open till
Somebody
like
got a
they
raid.
deliver till like 3 a.m.
Yeah, they
I'm
are.
not talking about babies.
Dude, and they're
like
very
bad
good.
babies, I'm talking
Yeah,
about.
very good restaurant. Yeah.
So then, like, is it funny? Is it a funny movie?
in parts.
इन पार्ट्स
Okay.
वही ना वो
exactly.
गैग्स जो हैं,
Yeah,
एंड
yeah.
देन इवेंचुअली जब वो एमी विर्क से मिलती है,
Dude, but also Amy Virk and Tripti had no chemistry, dude.
bro, no chemistry. I
No
agree.
chemistry
But I
at
think that
all.
was also meant to be, na, like to not have that chemistry.
Sure, fair, but
So
thoda
are you
wo-
saying that
Dude, also
Vicky
like-
gets the girl in the end?
So,
Okay.
yeah, because
डेड
yeah.
ब्रेन सेल नहीं लगा ये सोचने
Yeah.
में किसको मिलेगा.
but also I must again say that so there's a literally a part where she finds out that we've been divorced, Vicky and I, and he's sleeping around or going around with all these women because he's posting about it on Instagram. Okay, so she basically like, oh fuck this shit, takes like a few shots of alcohol and just goes up to her boss to basically
Hook up
get laid.
with him,
Yeah, hook up with him.
मुझे थोड़ा वो सीन अनकंफर्टेबल
Yeah,
लगा
so
था, bro.
basically then
because
they-
he's saying no.
So basically, one of the first questions he asks him before they get intimate or they start making out and all is consent. He's like, "हाँ, consent जी," or whatever he says. Okay, and then but he's like throughout the rest,
Bro,
5-10 minutes.
कंसेंट जब वो हाँ बोलता है, फिर उसके बाद वो किस करते हैं,
Yeah.
एंड उसके जस्ट बाद ही सेज कि अच्छा किस हो गया ना, अब बाद में अब नेक्स्ट
now
वीक
she's
करेंगे.
forcing herself
And
on
now
him.
she's forcing herself on Amy.
So it's not even consent, dude.
Wow, very problematic.
it is a little
I
problematic.
was actually uncomfortable watching that scene.
Yeah, especially with his mother, you know.
There was no need for that. But sure.
नहीं, मैं अभी के साथ नहीं गया था वेब देखने.
अच्छा, पर
But
mom's in town, no?
हाँ?
Mom's in town, right?
No, she's back.
Oh, she's in
yeah,
London,
my
right.
sister is doing her internship यहाँ पे अभी.
Oh, okay. हाँ.
Anyway, तो भाई
So did you go watch it with your sister?
No, I was at my flatmate. She was
Thank
working,
God.
bro. Anyway, तो भाई वो सीन I would agree मुझे थोड़ा uncomfortable लगा था. The
Yeah,
thing
yeah.
is, ठीक है, I get the fact कि तुमने consent वाला dialogue डाला ही इसलिए ताकि लोग वो सवाल ना करें, ठीक है, कि
correct.
consent
But then
वाली
does
बात
it play a part in like ahead in the film?
Not at
No,
all.
of course, भाई वो dialogue वहाँ पे है.
It's forgotten, bro.
It's
Because I'm assuming so then she gets impregnated.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But that's never brought up. That
No,
oh,
so she
one
gets. So basically, she first has earlier in the night. She.
she sleeps with both of them in the same night.
Yeah. And that's how.
And
they
so
sleep
the
with
thing
I've
is,
been
पता है,
nested.
What,
पता है
what
बाद
the fuck is Neha Dhupia's character in the
Bro,
film?
वो तो fuck.
What the hell was that?
इस चीज पे मैं एक और लाइन बोलता हूँ, पता है, एमी विर्क उस टाइम में ना बोलता भी है कि मेरा ना एक प्रोसेस है, मैं पहले कैंडल लाइट डिनर्स, वॉक, रोमांस बिल्ड करना चाहता हूँ, फिर मैं ये चीज करना चाहता हूँ. एंड देन ही ऑल्सो सेज थिंग्स लाइक कि आई डोंट वांट टू गो दिस फास्ट, एंड ही सेज दिस इन जोक्स कि वो मुझे टेस्ट मैच पसंद है, पुजारा मेरा फेवरेट प्लेयर है, ये है वो है, आप T20 मत खेलो टाइप्स. एंड द थिंग इज कि एक बार उसने अगर बोल दिया कि हाँ कंसेंट है, एंड उसके लिटरली अगली लाइन में बोल रहा है कि नहीं, तो मतलब
Yeah,
खड़े
that's.
होके बोलना चाहिए था. No means no, guys.
Yeah, बोलना चाहिए था ना.
ब्रो मतलब हाँ,
It basically was that only. अब बंदी को बोलना पड़ेगा. Okay, cut that out.
द फनीएस्ट पार्ट इज कि हम लोग हमेशा कट बोलते हैं,
पर
और
कुछ
कभी
कटता नहीं है कुछ भी.
यार, cut that out, please.
But
So,
anyway, yeah.
No, I mean,
how much would you rate it then? So, sorry, what are you asking?
I would rate it like
Two
You asked me
2.5
something.
Meraki stars out of 5.
Man, yeah, I would give it like barely like 1.52. Man.
Oh,
Yeah,
really?
1.5 जितनी भी
So,
खराब नहीं थी.
two.
हाँ, 2,
But that's just only literally because.
Vicky.
Kaushal is the only saving grace, dude.
both of you were your theaters like well occupied?
हाँ,
Like,
Yeah, it was good
and,
enough.
And
yeah.
were people laughing?
Yeah.
Okay.
So again, जैसे वो होता है ना कि वो विकी, coming back to the plot, विकी और वो साथ like they sleep in the same night and she gets pregnant. उन लोग का टेस्ट होता है तो वही पता लगता है कि ट्विन हाँ वो हुआ है और अब ट्विन्स हैं और एक का फादर एमी है और दूसरे का फादर विकी है. एंड नाउ द रेस्ट ऑफ द फिल्म इज देम competing to be like कि oh you know choose me.
Real father,
हाँ कि मतलब अब मुझे चूज करो एंड टुवर्ड्स द एंड लेन शी ऑब्वियसली लाइक चूजेस
back to,
विकी.
Yeah, but really, like, not a movie that you have to watch.
have to वाला सीन नहीं है.
It's a very time pass film. You can put on the background if it's on Netflix.
The thing is अब 2 हफ्ते तक कोई फिल्म नहीं है
Okay.
देखने के लिए, तो आई थिंक कलेक्शन तो हो
Wolverine
जाएगा.
है यार.
Deadpool Wolverine is not the Indian mass film. No,
Sure.
you and
I
me
think
will
it'll
watch
earn a lot
it.
in India, but ना.
I'm sure.
Dude,
तो
वो
obviously.
आजकल मैं तो 2 बार जो गया हूँ वो ये
हिंदी में भी तो आ रही होगी ना पर.
हाँ तो वही द दिस थिंग टर्न ऑफ योर फोन वाला जो मैसेज है, देयर इज वन डेडपूल वुल्वरीन वर्जन ऑफ इट.
हाँ of course yes.
Then they played in Hindi in Bombay theaters. I don't know why.
That's crazy. Yeah, that must be it.
so yeah.
Must be why.
तो वो सीन है. एक चीज़ जो ये है कि मुझे बहुत मेजर लगी, शीबा चड्डा एंड नेहा धूपिया's कैरेक्टर वाज वेस्टेड.
Wasted.
शीबा चड्डा एज एन एक्ट्रेस वाज वेस्टेड.
Look man, as long as they're getting their paychecks, I'm happy for
बट भाई शीबा चड्डा जैसी एक्ट्रेस अगर तुम्हारे पास है
I know,
तो मतलब 4 सीन तो मत दो ना फिर उसको. ऑल्सो डिड यू नोटिस गजराज राव इन द फिल्म?
No, I don't know.
ब्रो, सो डिड यू नॉट नोटिस उन्होंने एंड में स्पेशल क्रेडिट्स दिए गजराज राव
हाँ,
को?
correct. I saw. Yeah.
पता है कहाँ पे?
कहाँ पे?
जो चड्डा जो चाप का जो रेस्टोरेंट है, द पर्सन इन द बैकग्राउंड होल्डिंग द चाप इज गजराज राव. ही इज लिटरली जस्ट देयर ऑन द बैनर.
Oh God.
सो प्रोबेबली वो शायद विकी के फादर प्ले कर रहे हो.
I missed like the first few minutes of the movie.
हाँ मतलब वो बीच में है और ऐसा कुछ
Oh, then I missed it. then I just didn't pay attention. I was just so irritated in a lot of parts of it. Also, dialogues don't, like it's not logical. The connection of dialogues is not logical. You can tell that when you're like watching a film that way.
this brings me to that thing you cut me off while I was saying. I was like, ये जो सारे इतने रेफरेंस हैवी ह्यूमर जो होता है ना, मुझे लगता है कि ये सेट पे आके जोक्स लिखते हैं. They just sit and like brainstorm.
Okay, what is trending?
Because हाँ, that's a very like current.
एंड द थिंग इज कि कुछ मेटा जोक्स ना लैंड भी नहीं हुए भाई. अब जैसे एमी विर्क एक जगह पे बोलता है कि ये सब तो ठीक है बट आपका ये करने का तरीका थोड़ा कैजुअल था. द थिंग इज कि जिस तरीके से उसने बोल दिया ना वो लैंड नहीं हुआ. 2 लाइन बाद रजिस्टर हुआ कि ओ फक उसने वो रेफरेंस मारा था शायद.
okay.
ठीक है, तो ऐसे कुछ गैग्स थे. मैंने आपको प्रीति वाला गैग बताया, ठीक, कबीर सिंह और प्रीति वाला एक गैग बताया. मेरा आपका फेवरेट गैग कौन सा था पूरी फिल्म में, इफ यू एट ऑल रिमेंबर द गैग्स ऑफ द फिल्म?
वो जो कटरीना वाला ही बस.
कटरीना वाला मेरा फेवरेट वो था जब वो एंड में आता है ना, दुनिया में
Okay, that was funny.
मैं उस पे बहुत हंसा था.
Yeah, that was
दैट वाज द ओनली गैग जिस पे मैं बहुत हंसा. बाकी सब पे स्माइल आई, रेफरेंस समझ में आया, बट उस गैग पे मैं बहुत हंसा था. विक्की कौशल ऐसे आता है ड्रम लेके, दुनिया में जितनी.
हाँ, ये सब मीम जोक्स ही हैं.
हाँ
Also, like,
But
dude,
did you guys dance at Toba Toba in the end then? Because
I
apparently
didn't
a
dance.
lot of people in my theater danced.
danced. Oh no, nobody danced.
People were making reels and shit, bro. Like while people were leaving, 2 लड़कियां इधर सामने आके उस पे डांस कर रहे थे. तौबा तौबा पे किसी से
See, I can also do it.
that is not a step in the song, but sure.
Okay.
बट अब आप OTT पे आएगी तो देखोगे?
I'll give it a shot, but it's not like I'll sit down properly I won't take time out to watch it. I don't know. Yeah.
All right. I think let's move on from bad news.
I just realized the other movie that we're going to talk about, Maharaja, there's a
Is
bit of
much interesting.
no, there's like who's your daddy angle in there also.
Bro, that's the worst way to talk about that angle, dude.
Bro, fuck
Man,
off.
that's
bro.
the worst way to
Shit,
start
I swear.
a conversation of Maharaja. Possible. Man, what? Okay, coming to Maharaja.
Yes.
The latest film starting with Vijay
We talk
Sethupathi.
about Maharaja, not Maharaj, which is Junaid
Yes.
Khan's film.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, we're talking about
Maharaja, the Vijay Sethupathi starrer
film, yeah.
film.
Why would they release 2 films around like a month apart, basically?
No, because
So
Same name,
Maharaj
basically.
was not supposed to. Yeah.
It was supposed to. I mean, it got held up because
Oh
of
yeah.
the
Because of the
controversy,
controversy.
right?
Correct. Okay.
Also,
Chalo, we're talking about Maharaja. The
Yeah.
And both of them are on Netflix actually.
both of them are on Netflix.
Oh,
yeah.
confusion.
Yeah.
The amount of people who would have turned on Maharaj because they were like,
Khan
यहाँ पे
Vijay Sethupathi
Sethupathi कहाँ पे आएगा? Anurag Kashyap is supposed to be in this film.
So basically, announced in 2013 was titled
2013 महाराजा
2023. Sorry, fuck.
Oh, okay.
2023.
Like what?
Guys, हम लोग 12 बजे रात को रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं.
हाँ यार,
एक्सक्यूज
I'm
कर रहे हैं.
right. 8-9 घंटे की शिफ्ट के बाद. Anyway, so announced in 2023, it was announced with the working title of VJS 50.
Right.
Because it is Vijay Sethupath's 50th film.
They knew in 2013.
That's a very common
2023.
practice in Tamil
Yeah.
films. Like Rajnikant's whatever 65th film or something. Also, I mean, don't come after me. I'm just saying, मतलब actual कुछ और होगा.
Hey,
Rajnikant's.
but unless you're a woman,
What?
come after me. Wait, cut that out, yeah? Man, I'm allowed
No,
sometimes.
keep that to know how bad jokes he cracks. But ये होता है like until RRR was also RRR because
Rajamouli,
name of the two
stars.
actors. And
Also,
then they came up with
Kalki was also called Prabhas 21.
correct, yeah. So it's a very common practice in South films. to
Okay,
do that.
so yeah, Vijay Sethupath's 50th film.
Yes.
Also starring Anurag Kashyap in a villainous role.
He was surprisingly very good. in that.
Very good, like scary. bro.
Really?
Scary.
I thought he
आपको
was
नहीं पसंद
okay.
आया?
Have you guys seen him in Good Cop, Bad Cop, the Gulshan Dawaya
No,
show? that's
I've
on
heard
Hotstar?
very bad reviews about Good Cop.
It's not a
Bad
great show, but Anurag Kashyap in that show, he's playing a villain in that also. He's way better than he is in Maharaja.
In AK also, he was a villainous role.
AK was
he
में भी
was
अच्छा
good,
था,
yeah. Also, his voice is dubbed in the movie, obviously, because speaking in Tamil. But like broadly, what did you guys think of Maharaja? That's a film I did see, so I can
I
also
तो really
talk
liked
about
it, yaar.
Okay.
So I liked it. It was disturbing, but also I feel like that I left me wanting something. You know, like
मेरे
something
को-
missing in the screenplay or something was there.
मेरे को actually लगा it's more a screenplay writing exercise than a full fleshed out movie. Like it's a very so the format of the movie is very non-chronological.
Yeah.
There are things that keep happening where you realize, oh, अच्छा, it's got a lot of those gotcha moments. Like, you know,
Yeah,
कि हाँ,
yeah.
तो मेरे को लगा by the end, and we're talking spoilers, right?
Of course, of
Yeah. Full spoilers for Maharaja.
Should we
Guys.
like start with spoilers now, or should I?
Yeah, absolutely. Go ahead, man.
The 2/3 of the movie I really enjoyed. Okay, in the trailer, इस पिक्चर में एक डस्टबिन का नाम लक्ष्मी है, ठीक है? तो ट्रेलर में उन्होंने बताया नहीं लक्ष्मी क्या है. Okay, so when you watch the trailer, you feel like it's a search of a person called Lakshmi. You don't know what Lakshmi is. Then I liked the fact that also कि dustbin का नाम लक्ष्मी, and the way the film starts is also very intriguing. 2/3 of the movie I was really enjoying. That last bit where it becomes like that very cliche thing that it's a father avenging the daughters. I thought, yaar, again you're using that trope again, that fridging trope.
Sure.
के
Yeah.
लड़की
And it's so disturbingly done.
The
Oh
end
my
में मुझे like Anurag Kashyap's character, who's the villain,
Yeah.
who's responsible for broadly, he only feels bad about the when he finds out that this character is
related to him.
is related to him.
Yeah.
Like, why do you need that? Why cannot the
villain just feel bad as
just
it
feel
is?
bad that they're person, right?
Yeah,
So that was very
Bro, but isn't that the part of isn't that वो अब उसने अपने करियर मतलब एज इन द चोर वाला करियर जो है जो उसका वो पार्ट टाइम करता है लाइफ में
Yes.
वो चीज़ में उसने कितनी बार उसकी बैक स्टोरी में दिखाया है दैट फॉर हिम इज नॉट दैट बिग अ थिंग. वो उनको लाइक ही बेसिकली वो परमिशंस देता है अपने साथियों को कि हाँ चलो जाओ, हाँ चलो जाओ.
Exactly,
And
my
तो
point.
वही
Why does the क्या कहते हैं उसको guilt has to come when a male character when the if it's a woman, it either has to be related to him, his wife, his daughter, his sister. As if without-
I think they just went for shock value.
No,
there.
no, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah,
I think it's not about a man or a woman. It's about कि वो जो कैरेक्टर उसने दिखाया है, जो अनुराग कश्यप का कैरेक्टर है, वो इतना काला है इस तरीके अपनी सोल में, वो इतना काला है कि उसको पूरी दुनिया से फर्क नहीं पड़ता जब तक उसको ना अफेक्ट हो कोई चीज़. एंड दैट इज वाई उसको नम्ब दिखाया हर चीज़ को लेके. एंड तभी वो जब वो विजय सेतुपति को भी वो कहता है कि तुझे क्यों लगता है मैंने क्यों छोड़ा, ये जो तेरे को मैं दर्द दूंगा वो जिंदगी भर का दर्द रहेगा. मार देता तो वो दर्द एक टाइम पे खत्म हो जाता शायद, बट अभी पूरी जिंदगी भर का दर्द रहेगा. तो वो बहुत ही कॉन्शियसली वो चीज़ करता है. एंड वो उसको बुरा क्योंकि अभी तक उसका सब खो चुका है अनुराग कश्यप का, ठीक है. वो पहले ही अनहिंज्ड था, तो अब तो वो मॉन्स्टर लेवल अनहिंज्ड है, ठीक है. एंड आई थिंक द रीजन वाई ही ओनली फील्स बैड इज बिकॉज कि वो कैरेक्टर उससे रिलेटेड है, नहीं तो
That is my problem. Why does that have to be the core tenet
Sure.
of the film?
Also one more thing that I had a problem with, right? So a lot of the film is like, okay, in hindsight, oh, this happened, and then this happened, and this is how it is connected and all, right? So
Should we try and explain the
yeah, we will, but-
basic plot of
Sure, we
वो तो
can.
बहुत ही मुश्किल हो
Yeah,
जाएगा.
we can.
Yeah.
But so basically, like till he finds the bald dude in his house, no, the cops
Yeah,
get the bald
yeah,
dude in his
yeah,
house,
yeah.
and then he kills him. Till that point, it was fine. Okay, that was very intriguing. Then how they got a hold of Anurag Kashyap was just so like, okay, हाँ now पता है ना तेरे को
अब तो
वहाँ पे.
climax करना
हाँ, that's it.
वो-
So and then
वो-
Anurag
वो-
Kashyap
वो
showed
part
up.
मुझे भी थोड़ा
to
रस्ट
that.
लगा था.
Yeah, I was like, so they didn't need that.
Like,
they could have add like one scene to.
वेरी ऑनेस्टली अभी लाइक इसमें मैंने ये लिखा कि मुझे ये नहीं समझ में आया कि हाउ डिड पुलिस फाइंड आउट कि ये वही बंदा है एंड देन अनुराग कश्यप इज द थर्ड गाय. वो चीज़ मुझे नहीं समझ में आई थी. बट
Yeah.
मूवी की जो डिटेलिंग है और जो चीज़ें उन्होंने रेफरेंसिंग करी है, आई थिंक वो मुझे इतनी अच्छी लगी कि मुझे मूवी इज़ एन ओवरऑल अ वेरी गुड वॉच फॉर मी.
Yeah. It was definitely.
It's worth watching,
watching,
yes.
yeah.
But I just feel like sometimes it seems like a film that you read it on paper and it seems great because the revelations that are happening slowly, they're meant to, again, to those gotcha moments by themselves are great. But when you look at it as a whole, as a movie, I find, like he said, pieces missing. Where I feel like एक पूरा impact नहीं पड़ रहा है. उन moments का impact मेरे पे पड़
Could
रहा
it
है.
also be because of the jumpy depiction of the story?
Little bit, because I thought that they cheat a little bit, that we see Vijay Sethupathi, his character's passage of time is very clear because
Yeah.
they gave him white streaks around the
Or,
hair.
Anurag Kashyap also.
But Anurag Kashyap's hair and build is pretty much the same.
No,
in the past and the
Anurag
present.
Kashyap uses a wig in the past and he like normal hair जो अभी उसके हैं वो उसके normal
Oh, I
hair
didn't
हैं.
notice the
At
wig.
some places I found it a little confusing, but I thought that was fine, the jump
Okay.
in time.
So the funniest part in the movie was right at the beginning. The way the truck bashed into the house in the beginning was so random. I literally paused the movie for like 30 seconds and laughed. I was like, what did I just watch? Is this the kind of movie it is? But then it's not.
Yeah, it's
But I was
not.
like, is this what's gonna happen? in
So
the movie?
I think मैं पहले 30 minutes में थोड़ा ऐसे ऑफ सा था कि क्या चल रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, क्या नहीं हो रहा, and then धीरे धीरे things like एक दूसरे से जुड़ने लग जाती हैं.
Correct. So want to get to the mota plot.
Yeah.
हाँ, मोटा मोटा प्लॉट ही बताना पड़ेगा.
Okay, so basically what this movie is
Who
about
will take
is
up the
about-
challenge?
I'll do it. It's simple enough. It's about a guy whose name is Maharaja, played by Vijay Sethupathi.
Yeah.
And he goes to the police station to file a complaint because the previous night some intruders broke into his house and stole basically a dustbin that is important to him.
It holds a
Yeah,
sentimental value in his life.
in his life,
Yeah.
and they stole a dustbin that is important to him, and that's what the movie is about. Him filing a case, and then the cops trying to find it, and then first him seeing resistance to the fact of employing the police force and their power to pursue a dustbin's finding.
And Vijay Sethupathi has a daughter is an important detail.
Yeah.
And then when as the movie unfolds, we find that the narrative is split between past and present, and certain एक वो चीज़ होती है, things are very purposefully hidden from the viewer in order to make sense of things, and slowly they
Also hidden के साथ साथ shown.
yeah.
क्योंकि स्टार्टिंग में there's this scene जब दिखाते हैं कि अनुराग कश्यप अपनी बेटी को एक को टॉय से खिलाने की कोशिश कर रहा होता
At the
है,
end
बट वो
of
मना कर देती है, and then he throws it in the लक्ष्मी वाला
in the
डस्टबिन.
dustbin which is with Vijay
Yeah.
Sethupathi. Yeah. So you will keep wondering
ठीक है, ओ
अरे ये किस दोस्त
ये
के घर में
हाँ
था, ये यहाँ
एग्जैक्टली
कैसे आया?
एग्जैक्टली.
Yeah.
तो वो सब चीज़ें हैं जो एंड में एवरीथिंग मेक सेंस.
हाँ.
बट सो अब मुझे नहीं पता कि सच में इतनी रेफरेंसेस हैं या मैंने ज़्यादा ही मतलब डीप डाइव इनटू द वो कर लिया है. बट दैट्स व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग, जो मैंने इसके ऊपर लिखी हैं चीज़ें. First one being like the dustbin thing. Do you also think that dustbin was a metaphor for the girl, like a girl child?
So this movie, you know what that way. No, I did not perceive it that way, but maybe you can see it that way. One of my problems with the film was that this film is so literal. There are very few instances of perceiving things as a metaphor. There are two places where a snake plays a important role. I'm like, क्या मतलब था?
So इसके भी मतलब इसके मैं ये exactly मैंने भी यहाँ देखो लिखा snake question mark. But फिर उसके बाद मैंने
Actually, the snake sequence is kind of like where the film starts playing with the audience of before and after.
कि क्या
and
चल
कि
रहा
क्या
है
हुआ
exactly,
exactly,
हाँ.
right?
तो पहली चीज जो मेरा माइंडफक हुआ था वो ये था कि क्या इन्होंने डस्टबिन से गर्ल चाइल्ड की स्टेट को इन लोगों ने मेटाफोरिली दिखाने की कोशिश करी है
Okay.
कि जो अच्छा कैरेक्टर है वो उसको लक्ष्मी के तौर पे देख रहा है और जो बुरा कैरेक्टर है
उसके लिए वो कचरा
उसको कचरा की तरह देख रहा है एंड इसका एक
But
और
that's not how it is. Both the men love their daughter.
No,
right?
अब listen ना ये this comes in when the Nalla Savam क्या नाम था उसका the bald guy.
Sorry,
Yeah.
apologies to our
Nalla
listeners in the
Selvam.
south.
नल्ला सेल्वम या कुछ भी ऐसा नाम था. सो द थिंग इज ये चीज ना मैंने सबटाइटल में नोटिस करी. हिंदी डब में जब वो एक्चुअली में एक नया डस्टबिन बनवा लेता है ना उससे, जब वो नया डस्टबिन बनवा लेता है तो वो उसका बॉस जो है वो उससे पूछता है कि मान जाएगा ना ये वो तो वो कहता है हाँ देखो कितना एकदम नए जैसा बना के दिया है और ये और वो, ठीक है, वो ऐसे करके बोलता है हिंदी डब में. बट जो सबटाइटल आता है ना, सबटाइटल आता है कि अरे सर ध्यान से देखो इतना सही बना के दिया है, ऐसा लग रहा है कि किसी यंग लड़की का चमड़ी हो.
Right.
Okay.
तो व्हाट आई एम थिंकिंग इज कि अगर उसने ये रेफरेंसिंग डस्टबिन के उस टाइम पे दिया है जब वो डस्टबिन को चेक कर रहा है, जो कि आई एम गेसिंग डब में दे लॉस्ट द ट्रांसलेशन, एंड व्हेन दे से कि जब वो उससे पूछता है तू यहाँ पे क्यों आया है, तू डस्टबिन के लिए तो नहीं आया, तो फिर वो मुड़ के उसको ऐसे करके कहता है सर
Correct.
लक्ष्मी. तो
And then a female constable.
एग्जैक्टली तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि इन लोगों ने डस्टबिन वाले मेटाफर को खेलने का ट्राई किया है कि ऑल द नेगेटिव गाइज आर सीइंग इट एज कचरा, ठीक है, एंड द वन पॉजिटिव गाय इज सीइंग इट एज लक्ष्मी.
Okay, maybe, but that seems a little. Firstly,
It is far-fetched,
yeah,
but it's fine. I mean, that is
मतलब-
his perception, yeah.
Yeah.
एक मेरे को चीज़ और नहीं अच्छी लगी कि when it's finally revealed that sequence actually what happened in the house and we find out that the things that Maharaja says happened to him actually happened to his daughter.
Yeah.
And we find out that again the bald character like repeated his daughter. In the very next scene then he realizes that by chance he has actually admitted to like he says ना कि अगर इतने पैसे मिलेंगे तो मैं ही एक्सेप्ट कर लूंगा कि मैंने किया है. फिर हमको सीक्वेंस पता चलता है, फिर उसको स्ट्राइक होता है कि ये तो सच में मैं था. देन it's played for comedic effect where he tries to get out of it कि मैं जरा बीवी से बात करके आता हूँ, मैं चला
that's
जाता.
true, yeah.
And I was like, you just established that this person brute a girl and now we are supposed to be like, oh cheeky
look at him,
laughter.
funny,
Yeah,
yeah,
that was
that's true.
tonally मेरे को वो थोड़ा off
Well, I don't think that was there for the laughter purpose of it. I think
To establish tension.
हाँ, द थिंग इज मुझे ऐसा भी लग रहा है कि इट्स ऑल्सो बिकॉज बहुत चीज़ें लॉस्ट इन ट्रांसलेशन एंड डबिंग भी थी.
So you watched it in Hindi dub?
मैंने 2 बार देखी है, पहले तमिल में पूरी और फिर उसके बाद हिंदी में पूरी.
I watched it in Tamil with subtitles.
Oh, I watched it in Hindi.
मैंने तमिल विद सबटाइटल्स देखी पहले, फिर मैंने हिंदी में देखी वो क्या कहते हैं दोबारा.
Okay.
तो इसलिए लाइक बिकॉज मैंने आप
Is
लोग
Kashyap's voice Hindi
नो
dub
नो
on someone
नो
else?
या हाँ,
Okay.
मतलब वो कश्यप की आवाज़ नहीं है. तो एक तो ये मुझे डस्टबिन मेटाफर जो लगा कि वो मुझे थोड़ा वो लगा कि ये शायद इन्होंने ये खेलने की कोशिश करी है. एक चीज़ जो मुझे और थोड़ा एक तो जो फीट वाला सिंबलिज्म था वो हर जगह पे था.
What is the feet symbolism?
सिंबलिज्म एज इन लाइक
That neck
हाँ,
necklace
so
has-
Wow, but that,
so मतलब
at the end
सिंबलिज्म
see
नहीं
the
था.
that
is
was
on
like
the-
literally there.
हाँ, मतलब
But her foot on
सिंबलिज्म
the
नहीं.
cement also.
हाँ, तो द थिंग इज कि जब वो उसको ऑल द फ्लैशेस दे कनेक्ट बैक टू कि पहले वो जब वो बच्ची होती है तो वो उसके पैर किस करता रहता है बार बार. फिर उसके लिए जब वो लॉकेट चूज करता है तो वो भी पैरों वाला लॉकेट चूज करता है, ठीक है. उसके बाद तीसरी चीज, जब उसको ये नहीं पता होता कि उसकी डॉटर है, उसको लगता है कि विजय सेतुपति की डॉटर है, जहां वो उसे मारता है वो भी उसका पैर ही तोड़ता है.
अच्छा.
ठीक है. उसके अगर आप देखो तो एंड में जब वो चल रही है तो वो उसके एक पैर
एक
पे
पैर में
वो है
bandage लगा हुआ है,
एंड वो सीन में भी हुआ है कि वो उसके पैर पे मार रहा है, ठीक है. एंड में जो ब्लड जाता है वो भी उसके पैर के मतलब फुटप्रिंट में
वो तो literally
वो तो लिटरल था,
creating the
हाँ,
image of the locket.
वो लिटरल था. तो मुझे अगेन इसके अंदर भी मुझे एक ऐसा लगा कि आर दे ट्राइंग टू ऑल्सो शो दैट कर्मा ऑफ सॉर्ट्स वेयर ही इसका एक पोस्टर है जिसपे लिखा हुआ है कि व्हाट गोज अराउंड कम्स अराउंड. तो आई थिंक द कर्मा एंगल ऑल्सो दे टुक लाइक एज अ पिविटल पार्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी. इसके अंदर की जिस चीज़ को तुम बेसिकली जो कहते हैं ना, लक्ष्मी को तुम पैर छू के प्रे करते हो, बेटी को पैर छुए जाते हैं, तो उसने एक तरीके से इतना डिसरिस्पेक्ट किया. एंड अगेन द कचरा एंड द लक्ष्मी नैरेटिव कम्स इनटू प्ले कि जब तक तुम्हें लग रहा था कि वो तुमसे रिलेटेड और तुम्हारी बेटी है, तुम उसको लक्ष्मी की तरह ट्रीट कर रहे थे. एंड देन इवेंचुअली व्हाट हैपेंड वाज कि जब तुम्हें लगा कि वो तुम्हारी नहीं है, तुमने एक्चुअल अपना रूप दिखाया एंड तुमने वही पैर जिसको तुम पूज रहे थे, तुमने उसको तोड़ दिया. एंड इवेंचुअली दैट गेट्स फिल्ड विद ब्लड.
Too bad Film Companion has shut down, because if it was around, Snehal would have been
Yeah, wow.
nice. I like your interpretations, bro.
Is this the whole movie though? Like I keep thinking about it. It definitely leaves an impression with you,
Yeah.
without a doubt.
100%.
Man, it's
Especially since you guys watched it after Bad News, तो तुम लोगों को
dude.
और अच्छी
Especially
लगी
like
होगी.
see, so also no, like I especially after Bad News, because Bad News was for me very forgettable in a way.
हाँ.
It's very like I'm sure like in like I've already forgotten a lot of it. Like I don't remember the specifics and all. And I'm sure like in like 2 weeks I'll forget almost everything about the film because it's that forgettable.
Yeah.
And that's when
Maharaja,
you'll watch it
this will
again on
impact-
OTT.
I won't. I highly doubt I'll
You'll
watch it.
watch 15 minutes of it. अच्छा इसलिए नहीं पसंद आई थी.
Correct. Yeah, correct. But Maharaja leaves an impression, dude.
Yeah, it is.
You will remember this. The feeling of this movie. It really.
Yeah.
Also,
uncomfortable
there's
with
this another thing जो ये मुझे रिसर्च पे पता लगी, ये मैंने नहीं नोटिस करी थी, ये मुझे रिसर्च पे पता लगी कि apparently there's this animal symbolism in the film where
What? Ranveer Kapoor?
है नहीं,
Sorry, go ahead.
क्वाइट लिटरल एनिमल जानवर वाला. ठीक है कि अनुराग कश्यप्स कैरेक्टर इज अपेरेंटली सिंबलाइजिंग द वुल्फ मैनरिज्म्स. विजय सेतुपति इज द ईगल मैनरिज्म्स एंड स्नेक इज अपेरेंटली द नल्ला सेवम पर्सन.
Oh, okay.
सो ये जो आई थिंक देयर वाज दिस,
But why those?
मैं
those
बताता
animals,
हूँ. सो देयर दिस वीडियो जो मैंने यूट्यूब पे देखा था, आई थिंक इट वाज मिस्टर फिल्मी और समथिंग. उसमें ये दो पॉइंट्स भी हैं एक्चुअली, द फीट वाला पॉइंट एंड एक और पॉइंट भी था उसके अंदर, वो मेरे माइंड से निकल गया. ये वाला पॉइंट क्या कहते हैं, एनिमल वाला.
अच्छा,
एनिमल वाला कि सो अपेरेंटली दे रिलीज्ड अ पोस्टर पहले जिसके अंदर विजय सेतुपति का जो साइड है उसके ऊपर एक वुल्फ बना हुआ है.
अच्छा.
और सॉरी एक ईगल ऊपर से आ रहा है एंड जो इसके वाला साइड है, अनुराग कश्यप वाला साइड, वहाँ पे वुल्फ बना हुआ है. सो अपेरेंटली मैनरिज्म्स आर दैट वुल्फ दे वर. सो अनुराग कश्यप एंड गैंग हंट्स इन द नाइट, हंट्स इन अ पैक, नोबडी गोज अलोन, सोलो. सो एंड वेन एवर दे गो सोलो दे गेट बीटन अप बेसिकली, जब वो बार में पिटता है और मर जाता है. ठीक है. सो वो एक वुल्फ सिंबलिज्म था.
Sure.
ठीक है. एंड उसके बाद विजय सेतुपति बीइंग द ईगल की
Noble, ऐसा.
ईगल अकेले शिकार करना, अकेले हंट करना. एंड स्नेक सिंबलिज्म बीइंग द नल्ला सेवम. द थिंग इज कि सो वो नहीं होता कि आस्तीन का सांप टाइप. और बीच में एक डायलॉग भी है जब वो एंड में, बीच में नहीं सॉरी एंड में जब वो उसे मारता है तो वो कहता है आस्तीन का सांप बन के, आई थिंक ट्रांसलेशन में था या किस में था, कि वो पुलिस का पार्ट बन के होता है इतने टाइम से, बट एक्चुअल में वो क्या कर रहा होता है. ठीक है. तो हिम बीइंग द स्नेक एंड विजय सेतुपति जैसे उसको हंट करता है. विजय सेतुपति इज ऑल्सो द वन जो पुलिस के स्नेक को भी पकड़ता है. एंड अनुराग कश्यप बीइंग द वुल्फ हु ऑलवेज हंट्स इन अ पैक and always hunts at night.
What was the point of the whole thing where he has this very like iron grip where he doesn't let go of things? Like I
Just
thought
so
there will
I
be
think
some reveal.
yeah,
of
I know.
that, but there's nothing.
I think just to say that he's strong, dude. That's it.
Probably.
Yeah. And I thought that like, oh, this will be like they'll come into play.
हाँ, ये मुझे भी लगा था कि कुछ होगा आगे जाके इसका.
But interesting concepts. I think it's a interesting movie. I just felt like Antariksh. I felt overall impact थोड़ा मुझे मिसिंग लगा.
Like why
But you can
did they
definitely
give so much importance to that teacher?
just
I don't
because
understand,
she's
just
like the mother.
The mother figure, yeah.
उसमें भरद्वाज रंगन के के रिव्यू में
Felt like wasted.
ये भी पॉइंट आउट किया है कि लाइक वो सीन दिखा रहे हैं कि पिकनिक से वापस आ रहे हैं वो लोग, बस में हर बच्चा जा रहा है. इफ दैट टीचर वाज सो क्लोज टू हर शी शुड हैव मेड श्योर दैट the father comes to receive her, or when she goes back home, the father is at home. She just lets her go alone into the house.
That's true.
And so yeah.
But that must have been the daily
I
routine,
think
no?
that's मतलब सारी टीचर हर बच्चे को
This wasn't a
करते हैं.
daily routine, right? That's dropping her off from summer camp or whatever.
Yeah, that's fine. No, it's like in her complex. Or क्या
But interesting movie, I think. you
But
should
I
watch it.
think the so like I spoke to a bunch of people regarding Maharaja because I got really hyped about the film. Then I spoke to a lot of people. I think so I also received यही कि यार मूवी बहुत अच्छी थी but मतलब उतना पकड़ नहीं बैठा शायद या and I think that's also I think majorly that is because of the jumpy
No, that was the thing actually that kept me hooked. The last third of the film lost me. I was expecting a better resolution, a better reveal to happen. I just think वो last के आधे घंटे में या 45 minutes में is just very cliche. I found the things that
Yeah.
happened. So yeah. But overall, well made film, and Vijay Sethupathi is really good.
ब्रो विजय सेतुपति भाई मैं फैन ही हो गया हूँ भाई विजय सेतुपति का.
Yeah,
मैंने
very,
ज़्यादा फिल्म्स देखी नहीं थी बट एज इन व्हेन आई एम वाचिंग हिज फिल्म्स भाई क्या कमाल करता है भाई वो बंदा.
correct.
कमाल एकदम.
Merry Christmas also he was very good.
Merry Christmas was very good. This very good.
He's really good. and
Super
also
Deluxe very good.
in Vikram, not Vikram Veda, in Vikram the Kamal Hassan movie.
Oh, yeah.
also he
Okay.
plays a villain.
Villain,
Oh, okay,
yes.
okay.
Not a villain actually, like a grey character. So he's very good at that as well.
Right, fair.
मैंने एक बार ना विजय सेतुपति का इंटरव्यू देख रहा था मेरी क्रिसमस के टाइम पे where someone so he attends interviews and conferences in a very simple clothing, trouser, shirt and all. तो आई थिंक इट वॉज फिल्म कंपेनियन ओनली. कुछ एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म था एंड दिस इज गर्ल स्टैंड्स अप एंड शी सेज कि सर आप इतने बड़े स्टार हैं मुझे आपकी सिंप्लिसिटी बहुत अच्छी लगती है. आप ये कहते हैं नो 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 all this is very expensive. Nothing simple about it. I'm just comfortable in this. Had I been comfortable in a suit, I would have worn a suit and come here. It's just, I'm not simple at all. It's just very expensive at this point.
Alright, fair enough. Alright, that brings us to the end of our Maharaja review. How much would you rate it?
I would easily rate it like a 4.
Okay.
Out of 5?
Yeah, of course.
Out of 10. इतनी तारीफ करके बोलेगा 4
Oh no, that's just making sure. Right? I would rate it, 3.5 is good enough. Yeah, I would say 3.5.
Okay, I would give it 3.
Okay, fair enough.
Yeah.
Chalo, ठीक है. Abbas doesn't really enjoy anything.
As established at this point.
Finally, let's talk about Stree 2 का trailer.
Also, I was watching this film, कहते हैं महाराजा देखने के बाद पता है like after a while when I was like thinking about महाराजा मेरे माइंड में पहली चीज़ मतलब एक पॉइंट पे मेरे माइंड में आया कि अगर इसका हिंदी रीमेक बनता है तो द कास्टिंग इज राइट देयर.
Who?
अजय देवगन.
What?
He plays the father
Shaitan,
who's
dude.
protecting his daughter and son in almost every film
Yeah.
that he's been doing these days.
Yeah, sure. That's
Drishyam, Shaitan.
Have you guys seen that
Bhola.
deep
Bhola,
fake
yeah.
or AI whatever of Ajay Devgan that's been doing the rounds where he's saying कि he's on a podcast and he's saying कि लोग मुझे
विमल खाने में प्रॉब्लम है.
strong jaw के लिए
स्ट्रॉन्ग जॉ के लिए बोलता हूँ.
Oh, really? I haven't seen this. Okay.
Dude, it's like it's creepily accurate.
Creepily
The way,
accurate,
yeah,
yes.
All right,
Right,
cool,
yeah.
cool. You think at this point there's enough data of us online
yeah.
to
No.
make deep fakes?
So data बेशक हो ना हो इंटरेस्टेड कोई होगा कि
हाँ,
नहीं
exactly. वो
But
capture
I
नहीं किया
can
भी
I can
है.
get Snail to say some salacious stuff. You know, you don't know. You don't know what I'm interested in. The trailer for Stree 2.
Okay.
Did you guys see it?
Yeah, I enjoyed it, of course.
Yeah, it seems interesting enough.
I've got a bad feeling about this.
I got a bad feelings about this.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not gonna be as good as the first one.
इसमें भी
for
मेरे
sure.
को लगा बहुत मेटा रेफरेंशियल ह्यूमर था.
था?
राजकुमार राव.
वो है ना,
Bad
तो
guy
okay,
था.
अब लगे
लग
तुम
रहा है ना
राजकुमार.
राजकुमार.
I think that's the flavor of the season, dude. Everyone's doing this. This
know,
the word
man.
is.
And
Everyone, like,
the
yeah.
thing is like Raj and DK are not involved.
ये
that's
मुझे
true.
ये बहुत बड़ा वो लग रहा है कि राज एंड डीके
yeah.
की वजह से शायद मतलब ऐसे उनके ना होने की वजह से.
Yeah, that's
So
for sure.
I don't know. It looks funny. It looks fun. I'll definitely watch it in theaters.
Okay.
That's a movie I'll make a trip.
चलो
to the
शुक्र है
चलो यार,
शुक्र है
कुछ तो माने
I
भाई.
swear.
फिर वो सरकटा वाला जो ये था वो भी मेरे को लगा कि a good horror trailer is and I get this is a horror comedy
Yeah.
but a good horror trailer is where you keep the creature or the monster hidden and mysterious.
Yeah,
इसमें वो
अगर
पहले
पहले
ही
ही reveal
3
कर देते हैं,
सेकंड
तो
में वो
yeah.
दिखा देते हैं कि
That's
क्या
true,
है.
that's true.
अब हो सकता है फिल्म में शायद और कुछ भी हो.
At least, you know, like, what happened to saving your monster till the end of the trailer?
Exactly, yeah, something.
You can't-
Give a
are you
glimpse.
But the
basing it
thing is,
around the trailer around that?
मतलब I don't think this is a monster thing. No.
It is a monster.
I don't know. I don't remember. Do you remember the Originals 3 trailer?
Yeah, no.
No, even I don't.
I kind of do. I feel like they revealed the face of the
Yeah,
scary
yeah.
wala
फेस
face.
तो अभी तक भी नहीं. हाँ आई थिंक वो जो चिल्लाने वाले पे
फेस ही तो है सर
फेस
कटा.
तो है ही नहीं ना. हाँ उसमें तो फेस ही है.
पर इसमें तो सिर्फ सर कटा ही है.
मेरे को लग रहा है like everybody is just like doing the tick mark thing. Like Pankaj Tripathi, they'll cut to, he'll say one funny line,
Fun
tick
line,
mark. Rajkumar Rao will do his high and tick mark. फिर ऐसे. तो I don't know. I'm a little skeptical.
So स्त्री मतलब the horror universe is one universe that I would have not wanted to go to the ruins. But
it feels like it is.
But हाँ मतलब
So far, so they've had Stree Bhedia and Munja.
Ruhi.
So Ruhi, they've not included in the universe outright. It's just from the same team, but I don't think they've included in the universe outright.
have they not?
Same team वाली तो एक और हॉरर कॉमेडी Z5 पे आई है, रितेश देशमुख और सोनाक्षी से.
काकुदी.
काकुड़ी, हाँ वो भी उसी
same universe.
not universe but it says from the makers of Stree.
Three, yeah, it's the same
So
team.
that they'll, it's only a matter of time
Yeah.
till they make it the same one. Yeah, fair enough.
What did you think?
I thought it was again. So I'm definitely gonna go watch it. The Stree one I loved so much.
Yeah,
Me
even
too.
I love
Even
Stree,
I
but
loved it.
मैं अभी
That's
भी
the thing.
कभी-कभी randomly लगा के
Exactly, dude.
बैठ
It
जाता
is
हूँ Stree
so
वाला.
nice, so good. I hope they're able to at least maintain some of that charm of the three guys, roaming around trying to find Sarkata or whatever you want to
Yeah.
say, and then happening upon Stree, Shraddha Kapoor's character.
अब मुझे एक जो डाउट लग रहा है वो है कि बहुत ज़्यादा वो ना कर दें कि वो सुपर हीरो शिट ना कर दें. लाइक आई थिंक
हो
मतलब
सकता है,
जैसे वो
वो
अपनी
लग रहा है.
चोटी को जैसे वो घुमा रही है
हाँ.
उसके अंदर से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी टाइप ब्लू वो
वैसे.
जा रही है.
Also, I thought at the end of the first movie, these guys don't know that she's Stree, no?
हाँ,
She's Stree in the bus and all, she puts that hair on her
I
head.
don't think they still know. I think through the course of the film बताया जाएगा.
Oh, okay, हाँ, fair. That could be.
वो तो हमें ट्रेलर में पता लगा
Yeah,
ना.
correct. So again, like not excited, skeptically excited with.
Yeah, same.
So मैं आप लोग को एक न्यूज़ दूँ फिल्म के बारे में.
अच्छी नहीं है.
अच्छा, तेरे पास कुछ
So
exclusive
there's
था
this insider अब आउट हो गया यार.
कि कुछ कैमियो है किसी का.
हाँ.
क्या cameo है?
So apparently Akshay Kumar is making a cameo and debut in the horror universe.
In
In
Stree.
Stree, yes.
क्योंकि भूल भुलैया अब
So
नहीं है ना.
Sarkata is gonna be him or?
So I don't know, but there are
Sarkata backstory will be Akshay Kumar.
Akshay Kumar.
Yeah.
But I don't know. So apparently
Sarkata we also saw in Maharaja, by the way.
Maharaj is a culmination of daddy issues of good news and beheaded of
But yeah, I think so. एक सेकेंड. स्त्री में अक्षय कुमार होने वाला है ऐसा
ऐसा
खबर आ रही है.
हाँ, हवा में सुना है.
एंड एक जगह से तो मुझे पता नहीं किसी ने बोला कि वो शायद अपना भूल भुलैया वाला कैरेक्टर रिप्राइज करेगा.
बट भूल भुलैया वाला सुनी कर
बट हाँ आई थिंक वो
तो कार्तिक आर्यन बोलेगा मेरे को क्यों नहीं मिला?
कार्तिक आर्यन is not the same character as Akshay no in भूल
Similar, no?
भुलैया.
Is it not? I've not seen the
Similar,
second one.
हाँ similar but not the same character.
But it could be either or, no?
When is भूल भुलैया 3 coming?
I think Diwali.
Hopefully never.
Like not clashing with.
No. So again, Akshay Kumar is clashing with Stree also. Akshay Kumar की एक और फिल्म आ रही है अभी, which is खेल में. That has Akshay Kumar,
guy is busy.
Akshay Kumar, Taapsee, Amy Virk and that guy जो Student of the Year 2 में जो नेगेटिव कैरेक्टर प्ले करता है, नाम भूल गया मैं उसका.
ऐसे बोल रहे
Student of the
हैं बहुत कॉमन पिक्चर सबने देखी
और
होगी.
सुनो तो यार टू में विलेन रहता है.
हाँ मतलब this is one negative-ish character.
अच्छा.
Who's the student?
Yeah.
इसका ट्रेलर रिलीज हो गया है जो
नहीं खेल अभी तो पोस्टर आया है, आज सुबह या कल आया है पोस्टर.
और पिक्चर भी रिलीज हो रही है अगले
15 अगस्त को. हाँ.
Okay.
तो that's Akshay Kumar, bro.
But Amy Virk already in another movie. Also.
Yeah, Amy Virk in another film.
Yeah, good times. Yeah.
man, yeah, let him-
Amy, Taapsee, Akshay.
Next thing you know, he's gonna be at Coachella and Tonight Show also.
You never know.
different सरदार.
Also, the thing is, so आप लोगों ने नहीं देखी होगी तो कोई पॉइंट नहीं है. सरफिरा नहीं देखी ना आप लोगों ने अक्षय
But
की?
I've heard good things.
Bro,
actually.
yeah. So I think अगर थोड़ा बहुत मार्केट करते ना उस फिल्म को तो चल जाती है. ऑल्सो द थिंग इज एक चीज़ मेरे को रियलाइज हुई है कि मतलब आई डोंट थिंक कि अब मार्केट्स में और इंडस्ट्रीज में उतना डिफरेंस और उतना वॉल है, उतना एक्सक्लूसिविटी है. आई थिंक अब सब OTT पे है. तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि अब रीमेक्स वर्क करेंगी जैसे पहले शायद कर जाती
करते
थी.
थे. हाँ,
I
I agree.
absolutely agree.
सरफिरा में सूर्य का कैमियो है बाय द वे.
अच्छा.
अच्छा. Okay. But already, dude, like I've always said that whenever you find out that a movie that you like is a remake or is an idea stolen from somewhere, you lose respect.
थोड़ा
a
सा
little
हो
bit.
जाता है कि अरे
For sure.
यार,
No, I mean, I lose respect if it's a copy. I don't lose respect if it's it's an
official remake.
Official
But,
remake, but still feels a little lazy, no?
बट आई यार मैं जेन्युइनली बताऊं, राधिका मदान ने अच्छा काम किया, अक्षय कुमार ने सही काम किया है, देव डन, अनिल जो उसका प्ले करता है बेस्ट फ्रेंड, उसने अच्छा काम किया है. देव डन यू लाइक पीपल वर एक्चुअली क्लैपिंग क्राइंग इन द फिल्म सरफिरा. लाइक द थिंग इज कि वर्ड ऑफ माउथ एक्चुअली अच्छा था,
Okay.
बट पता नहीं मार्केट उतने अच्छे से हुई कि नहीं हुई, या अक्षय कुमार के अराउंड ओवरऑल.
Yeah, I don't know. I just feel like he's in a place where even if he does a half decent movie,
Yeah, people are trolling
People
him.
don't give a
Yeah,
shit anymore.
right now,
They're
right
like,
now.
But
oh,
and this was better than half decent actually. Like राधिका मदन का कैरेक्टर बहुत अच्छे से बनाया गया है, अक्षय का कैरेक्टर अच्छा है.
like this was not an Akshay movie, but Maidan also I heard good things about. But it
The
didn't
Ajay
do-
Devgn
yeah,
one,
the
right?
Ajay Devgn
Yeah,
one. It
yeah.
didn't do well at the box
Yeah,
office.
I've
So
heard, yeah.
I don't know, man. It's this weird.
I think they're having
thing.
a
The
yeah.
bad news is getting like biggest opening. So I don't know.
It was Vicky Kaushal's biggest opening. Yeah, you're right.
So I think it's only a matter of time. There will be a turnaround.
Basically, every movie needs a hook step song that goes viral
yeah,
to
bro.
do well.
Oh, dude, that's gonna be endless for sure. You're right. For the next year, we're gonna see
Bro,
a lot
it
of
came
that
to a
now.
point where Vicky Kaushal said, और कितना नाचूं यार, आज पिक्चर रिलीज हो रही है, देख लो. He actually released a reel. He also did a meme review of Toba Toba meme review with Tanmay Bhatt.
Then मैं
Oh yeah, I saw that.
जहाँ पे वो कुल्लू की खींच रहा है.
हाँ, and he's like कि पता नहीं क्या कोई लड़की के बारे में बात करते हैं ना वो, कि हाँ, he said कि आपने कौन सा कोर्स किया है. He's like फलाना डिम का इंजीनियरिंग, एंड कुल्लू सेज कि उसके अंदर सबसे ज़्यादा लड़कियाँ होती हैं इंजीनियरिंग की अगर बात करें तो. एंड तन्मय जम्प्स इन, he's like वो कटरीना का पति है, तो उसको क्या लड़की की बात कर रहा है.
That's true. Okay, fair enough. Anything else that we want to talk about coming up this weekend?
This weekend is
Deadpool
Wolverine.
versus Wolverine.
Deadpool
Is it
versus
versus
yes.
or is it
and
and,
मेरे ख्याल से
sorry,
and.
Deadpool
वो
Wolverine?
बैटमैन वर्सेस सुपरमैन के बाद उन्होंने वर्सेस लगाना बंद कर दिया.
Yeah, no. So the first Deadpool was Deadpool. The second was
it
Deadpool and
just
Cable.
Deadpool.
No.
It was just Deadpool. Not
Yeah, it was Deadpool.
Yeah.
मेरा नाम 2 बार ममन है, मेरा नाम 1 बार ममन है.
So the second one was Deadpool and Cable,
Yeah.
which was a famous comic book series for a while. And Deadpool and Wolverine. So I think this sticking by the.
Actually,
the
second one was not callalled Deadpool 2.
It was Deadpool and Cable. It was called.
Oh, really?
Like Deadpool and
Okay.
Wolverine.
Not
This is-
Deadpool 2, Deadpool
So this
and
is
Cable.
actually not Deadpool. This is not Deadpool and Wolverine. It's a Deadpool 3 movie, right?
जितनी बार
Yeah,
आपने
yeah.
डेड आपने मिराकी शाह से ज्यादा बार डेडपुल बोल दिया.
Yeah.
No, but Kevin
drink,
Feige,
shot.
Kevin Feige is saying that this will be. हालांकि वो ये हर पिक्चर के बारे में बोलता है कि some the repercussions of this movie will be felt in the
Correct.
larger universe.
He likes to reset his own.
Yeah.
बोल
And I
तो
heard
रहे हैं
all
कि
the-
ये वापस मतलब और
So-
कैमियोज करता रहेगा.
Yeah, apparently
fair.
the plot is that Deadpool and Wolverine, or rather Deadpool will be jumping through various
Universes.
universes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
So they're saying there'll be cameos by Elektra and Ben Affleck as Daredevil and Tobey
Oh, yeah.
Maguire and all
एंड
those.
या
guys.
सो दिस गाय, सो वुल्वरीन अभी जो फाइनल ट्रेलर आया उसमें ये ह्यूग जैकमैन बोलता तो है कि इन माय यूनिवर्स तो कुछ और ही हो रहा है.
Yeah, वो तो.
अच्छा.
So this Wolverine is a Wolverine called I think Patch or something.
Acha.
It's not the actual
I
Wolverine.
think
that
there
we
will
know.
be multiple Wolverines in the movie.
Yeah, could be.
Yeah.
I don't think the Logan wala Wolverine is there.
But his daughter is back, like the
Oh,
girl who
X-23.
plays. Yes, X-23 is
दो
back.
सीन है उसके.
Yeah.
Sick. Okay.
Yeah,
awesome.
it's like you're
So
always
the thing is,
bad
the thing is,
guy.
I've avoided watching the last two
Same,
trailers.
same. But
because-
Snehal, being the trailer enthusiast that
Oh,
he
okay.
is,
Okay.
has already like, आप तो ट्रेलर नहीं देखा, ये क्या हो गया?
भाई देखो. हाँ तो.
क्योंकि ऑफिस में कुछ तो करना होता है ना.
सही बात है. मैंने तो महाराजा ऑफिस में
People who have employed Snehal, if you're watching this, now you know. वो
मैं
भी
तो
2 बार देखा है, एक बार तमिल में, एक बार हिंदी में.
आवेशम भी सोच रहा था डाउनलोड करके ले जाऊं.
आवेशम देखी नहीं अभी तक?
अभी नहीं देखी.
देख ले भाई.
आवेशम
बहुत
बहुत
सही
सही
picture है. Yes.
All right, cool. I think we talked all we want to talk this week.
More or
Yes.
less,
It's
yes.
very late. It is 1:45, man.
Fuck
Yeah.
bro, fuck.
The efforts we take for you
I
guys.
swear bro.
Yeah.
So what does this mean? Please subscribe to our
Please
channel.
subscribe.
You know, अरे fuck, dude, we always forget to say it like थोड़ा
In the beginning,
में.
yes.
हाँ,
Because
ये
most people
मैं
have tuned
काट
out by
के
now.
स्टार्टिंग में डाल दूंगा.
Yeah. So for earlier, let's do a take, and you can let it be in the end
And
also.
the end
It's so
also.
funny that when we started, everybody's mics were on the stands, and suddenly
Yeah,
did
yeah.
that.
It's the back problems, guys.
I swear, जो
Back problem.
realizations हुए ना touching 30 over
Yeah.
30.
That's our Maharaja homage that we have given. That we will place everything.
Oh, timelines.
Timeline will be all over the place.
Yes, absolutely. So, guys, please like and share and subscribe
Yes.
to this episode. I hope you
How
guys are
can they
enjoying the
subscribe
content.
to the episode? They have to subscribe to the
Subscribe to the channel,
What a buzz
like,
set, you get
share,
it.
comment.
It
the
is
episode.
1:45. I really need a bed. I had a long day. Abbas?
And leave a comment. What would you like us to?
हाँ
to
अब्बास
cover?
बीच में बैठा करो.
Abbas, you know, yes.
हाँ, मुझे फिर से sideline कर दिया गया है quite literally. And
And the
yeah.
funniest part is कि हम लोग अब्बास को obviously guest की तरह introduce करते हैं. And then there's this one person or this one comment.
कि
every-
permanent
they
बना दो.
make Abbas a regular. He's there in every episode.
Hey man, look, but I'm a guest.
Maybe we should make him regular. Maybe
No,
think
we'll
about
just
it.
call him
We'll think
a
about it.
guest.
Let's discuss payments if you're making me a regular. Yeah.
Please subscribe guys so that we
Aren't
can pay Abbas.
Wait, aren't we already? Wait, cut that out. Okay, that's it, guys. Please, hope you enjoyed the content we've been putting out. Check out all the other stuff we've been doing, and see you again next week. Bye bye.
Yeah. My going rate is 5K per episode. See you next time.
छी यार.